come through and try to do something, nigga, we some big dogs up here. Nah, homie, them niggas only big down now. Mob ties don't exist up here because when the police kill some, where's mob ties? When we need murder solved in the community and these niggas kill babies, where is mob ties? When the women is getting beat and raped, where is mob ties?
You done lost your mind. I told Mama always wanted to be a porn star. Now don't call me telling me about nothing about what somebody called and told you about what I do on Facebook. Mama, you ain't on Facebook. I always wanted to be a porn star, Mama. So put my penis on Facebook. I done raped before. I done raped before.
Where's mob ties for the community program? Nigga, fuck mob ties, nigga. Harder we working for these kids up here. Don't bring no motherfucking mob ties up to me, nigga. Them niggas don't do a goddamn thing. For a motherfucking nigga around here, it's a nigga nation, nigga. Been here since the 60s. We don't give a fuck about no J.Prince, nigga.
Hey, say y'all listen to me. Say listen to me. After Rainwater had his incident, after Rainwater had his run-in with WACK100, guess who showed up? The FBI, nigga. Say WACK. Say, nigga, stay out of Texas, nigga. We don't want to say, Texas niggas don't go against Texas niggas, nigga. You think I'm going to go against J.Prince, nigga? I love J.Prince, nigga. I love the shit out of J.Prince, nigga.
We don't give a fuck about no J.Prince, nigga.
Fuck you talking about, nigga. Yeah, nigga, you think I'm going to go against the Prince, nigga?
We don't give a fuck about no J.Prince, nigga.
Nigga, you crazy. That man left a blueprint for us, nigga. He the reason I looked to Larry Hoover, nigga, for growth and development. Nigga, they got a blueprint, nigga. And if y'all don't listen to me, I told y'all I started studying Mr. Hoover when I was a little bitty boy by way of a nigga named Greg Henry out of Houston. We was playing Crip, they was playing GDs and BDs and BGDs. And I got an understanding that them niggas got a literature. We ain't got shit. So when I got introduced to Rap-A-Lot Records by way of Scarface, Willie D, and Bushwick Bill, nigga, I started listening to the man that's talking in the background that wasn't rapping.
We don't give a fuck about no J.Prince, nigga.
This nigga, and you think I'm gonna go against, I don't even wanna talk to you, nigga. The way you talked about J.Prince.
We don't give a fuck about no J.Prince, nigga.
And Mr. Larry Hoover, nigga. I ain't one of them other kind of niggas in the industry, nigga. I built me and made me, nigga, without nobody help, nigga. With this, nigga. I don't want your business offers, nigga. I don't do nothing to break no law where I need to cooperate with the feds. Nigga, you know I know that I'm telling the truth. You been listening, nigga. Now you want to talk. Wacky. I'm way more smarter than you, nigga. I don't want the fame. I want the game. No, that's why I talk on a demonetized YouTube channel, nigga. Cause I don't want that. I want the game, nigga. I'm stealing knowledge. So I can sidestep the money, nigga, and come around for the knowledge, nigga. I don't fall. My mama wasn't poor, nigga. My mama wasn't poor, Wack. So you can't lay nothing out on me, nigga. I'm a king in my city, nigga. So them white folks know that you with. It ain't no goddamn fool, too. It ain't no goddamn fool, too, nigga. I buck. I done bucked them before. I done bucked them boys before. Ask Agent Daniel Torres, nigga. I done bucked them before. No, Wack, nigga, you can't get me, nigga. You get played on, nigga, and you can't play on me, sucker. It ain't a dollar you can put in my pocket, nigga. It ain't a word you can whisper in my ear, nigga, against no Texas, nigga. No, and I damn sure, as I get on my knees, nigga, and give honor to Mr. Larry Hoover, I damn sure nigga ain't going against him and what he stand for. He took the word gangster disciples and put it to sleep and gave it a new name, growth and development.
Fuck BDs and fuck GDs, you puss ass.
Yeah. Yeah, and it's documented, as well as our government know. Nigga, I done already called and put my name and advocated on behalf of Mr. Larry Hoover. The old man, as we call him, as they call him. I called and said, hey, my name is Charleston White. I went to the Republican Party. I done that. Then I took it to my Instagram page, and I went to my Republican Party member leader and said, hey man, can we do this? We can get niggas to vote Republican.
Asked me, do I want to buy some weed? I ought to call the police on him. I ought to drive off right now and call the police and tell the police it's two niggas sitting up on the corner in the store there in the black, the Nissan Maxima, license plate MHW8426. Them niggas standing at the store asking niggas do they want to buy weed. Well, I ought to call the police on them niggas, cause I hate a dumb, stupid ass nigga. I hate a dumb motherfucking nigga. Now he up here distributing drugs, nigga, sitting in this car, asking a stranger with a Trump hat on and a Trump mask on, do he want to buy some weed?
My name is Charleston White. I went to the Republican Party. I done that. Then I took it to my Instagram page, and I went to my Republican Party member leader and said, hey man, can we do this? We can get niggas to vote Republican, if we can get the Republican Party to at least get the man out of those conditions and put him in population. I petition a real political party to do that, nigga. I ain't gotta tell you niggas what I do in real life. I'm on here to entertain. Only imagine what a nigga do if he catch a snake. I grew up drowning grasshoppers, nigga, tying batteries to their leg and watching them go underwater. Imagine what a nigga do to a snake. You a snake, nigga. You can't do nothing with me, man. This bitch ass nigga, man.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.